Voice commands in Dragon Medical One help speed up your documentation workflow by automating keystrokes or repetitive actions, such as opening commonly used websites, replying to emails, or turning your microphone on and off. So if you find yourself clicking the same buttons in the same order multiple times a day, consider creating a voice command. Here are some examples of what they can do. Open patient summary. Open note. The patient has type 2 diabetes mellitus period. She comes in today for follow-up of her recent labs period. Go to problem list. Go to note. You can complete a patient chart faster, easier, and virtually hands-free by dictating narrative content and speaking commands to perform actions. For example, in this EHR, pressing Alt-M displays the patient medications. I've created a press hotkey step-by-step command. So when I'm documenting in a patient chart, I can say, View medications, and the medications screen opens. I can also use a step-by-step command to open a website, like the New England Journal of Medicine. It's easy to build step-by-step commands, and the short amount of time it takes will pay off as you use it throughout your day. Let me show you how to create a voice command to open a website. Say Manage Commands or select Manage Step-by-Step Commands from the Dragon Bar menu. Manage Commands. When the Manage Step-by-Step Commands window opens, click the plus sign. Let's name the command Open New England Journal. Notice that the spoken form field is mirroring what I'm typing into the name field. Spoken form is what I say to invoke the command. Click New Step. There's a list of all the different actions that a step-by-step command can include. We have to create steps to launch the browser and then enter text in the address bar. Let's start by creating a step to launch Chrome. Select Open Application from the list. Browse to the Windows program files. Search for the Chrome exe file and select it. It may take a few seconds for Chrome to open, so let's make the command pause a bit before moving to the next step by adding a wait step. Click New Step. Select Wait and enter the time in milliseconds. Enter 5,000 in case the computer is running slowly. Now let's add a step to enter the web page URL in the browser address bar. Click New Step, select Enter Text, and paste the web page address. To navigate to the web page, we need to add a step to press the Enter key. Click New Step, select Press Hotkey, hit the Enter key. That's it. Click Apply All. And now let's try it out. Open New England Journal. Navigating to a website is just one example of what you can do with step-by-step commands to speed your documentation workflow. Many EHRs have hotkeys to navigate the patient chart, place orders, use quick actions, or perform other actions. Almost anything done with a keyboard shortcut can be done with a voice command. It's more accurate, more convenient, and faster than using the mouse and keyboard. Remember, the time you invest in building step-by-step voice commands pays off immediately and significantly, reducing the time you spend creating documentation. Close video.